Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to download Netflix on your Amazon Fire Stick, step by step, so you can start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows immediately. First, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen using your Fire Stick remote. Step 1. From the home screen, go to the Find option in the top menu and select Search. Step 2. Type Netflix using the on-screen keyboard or use the voice search feature on your remote. Step 3. From the search results, select the Netflix app to open its app details page. Here you can see the app description, screenshots, and ratings. Step 4. Click on Get or Download to start installing Netflix on your Fire Stick. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch Netflix. You can also access it later from your apps and channels on the Fire Stick home screen. Step 6. When the app opens, sign in with your Netflix account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one and subscribe to a plan. Step 7. After signing in, you can start browsing Netflix's library, search for your favorite shows, and enjoy streaming in high quality. Now your Fire Stick is ready to stream Netflix anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow streaming and tech guides.